How to send videos on Gmail. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to send videos on Gmail, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into my Gmail app on my phone, and now I need to click where it says compose. Now I need to write the email address that I'm going to send the video to, and when I'm done with that I need to click on this symbol right here. Then click where it says all so that you can see all the videos that you have, and then just select the video that you want to send. After that, click where it says choose. When you have done that, then you will simply need to click right here to send this email. So just like that, I have now sent a video on Gmail. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.